If we're installing floors in a kitchen or a bathroom area, some disconnection and reconnection work may be required by a licensed electrician or plumber. If water lines are old or fragile, or if we find something wrong with the plumbing in your house as we're starting to work on those things, we may ask that you bring in a plumber to address those issues at your expense. All right, let's talk about dust. No matter what kind of flooring is being removed, whether it's hardwood, vinyl, tile, or LVP, it will create dust. Dust is unfortunately an unavoidable part of the process. We do our best to try to limit the dust moving throughout the house, but we can't guarantee that we'll get rid of all the dust, which is why we recommend hiring a cleaning service post-installation. Once the demolition is complete, we may uncover some things that were unexpected. It's very hard for us to see everything that exists underneath your floor. If we run into things like moisture issues, water damage, mold, we may stop our project and ask that those things be taken care of separately. We're happy to give you a referral or even address some of the things ourselves, but this is a risk that we run into every once in a while. If you have a specific question that I didn't address in this video, please reach out to us and we're happy to help. We look forward to seeing you on installation day.